All I can say is an entire week's worth of Instagram carousel posts has been done, written, designed, and ready to post in under 20 minutes. Yes, I am excited. No more hours spent in Canva taking hours to design a carousel post on Instagram. That's one of the reasons why my Instagram hasn't been updated, because it took me so much time to do it. Now, before you go off and roll your eyes and say, here go another AI person telling me that the robots is about to do everything for me, pause for a second and hear me out, because I'm not about to tell you about it. I'm going to actually be showing you my screen, showing you what the post actually looks like. I'm going to go over how I went about creating this process that now allows me to generate a whole week's worth of carousel posts in under 20 minutes. And of course, if it's under 20 minutes for 1 week, is basically roughly around 80 minutes, an hour and 20 minutes for a whole month. That is terrific. And if you know anything about creating carousel posts in Canva, you know it take a minute when you're trying to get your designs right and on brand. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Dee Willis. I'm a digital product creator and mentor to other creators who are trying to utilize AI in their business in a non-techie way that's going to allow them to save time and be able to spend more time on their business instead of in their business. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. These are the slides that were created by Claude Code. As you can see, they look pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did and how I did it to create these types of carousels. Here is my Claude Code. What I'm going to do is I am going to tell Claude to create these carousel posts on 5 different topics. So all we have to do is know what topics or have some information, a source of information that we want them to, or Claude to create the content from. So I'm just going to type into Claude, please create 5 carousels on the following topics. And I have my topics here, and I am going to press enter. Now, while Claude is doing his thing and creating the carousels, reading the process that it needs to go through, I am going to put this on bypass permissions. That way it's not popping up constantly asking me to approve something, because I already know this skill works. So I don't need to approve anything. Plus, it's not going out to the net, so it's not really nothing that can mess with it too much, because everything is on my computer. So I'm going to let it do its thing. In the meantime, what I am going to show you is my gallery, my template gallery, which this all spawned from to begin with. When I was planning out this whole process, I know that I needed to create a template gallery to pull from, because I didn't want Claude to overthink. It needed to have information about the types of covers that I would like, the body copy that it can pick from and choose from, the types of fonts that it needs to bring into the carousels, which all has to do with my branding, as well as some calls to action. As you can see in my gallery, I have my character of me, and I also have a sketch of me, and it's also programmed in here to generate AI images if necessary for a particular slide. So that is in there as well. Now, as we go and look back at our Claude Code, we can see what's going on here. It has the 5 topics. It went through the template gallery to grab the templates that it's going to use and in which order they're going to be using it. It has the hook and the angle so that it can write the slides accordingly. And you can see it's checking the design system of the slides that it's going to be creating, as well as it's exporting and how it's exporting it and in what order. So it's going through the process, as you can see here, for each and every slide for those 5 topics. And it was doing this all behind the scenes while I was showing you the template gallery. Now it's telling us my carousels. I have made a week of carousels in 20 minutes with Claude Code, all 7 slides rendered cleanly. And it put it into the correct size for PNG. It went through, it told me where they are. It told me what the date is and how it's labeled. It told me the angle. No AI images were run, so it's good. There's no AI images in there. It could have been, but it wasn't. And now it said, okay, here go. It read number 3. It went in and wrote the captions. All 6 PNGs are confirmed for this particular slide, or that particular carousel, should I say. Okay, they're carousel 4 out of 5 complete. All 6 slides are done for the 4th carousel, and 5 out of 5. Everything is in place. Here's the full report. All 5 carousels are done and logged. Every slide is pure HTML and CSS, no AI generation needed. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to show me all the slides. Show me all the slides in preview. Now I'm telling Claude, hey, pull it up, because I want to make sure that it's what you saw at the beginning. It's doing something I did not want it to do. It was trying to create a gallery-like page of them instead of just showing me the slides in my preview. Okay, so it rendered all of the slides in PNG format, and it just popped it up on my screen so we can see it. So let me minimize this here and bring this over. So now you're able to see what the slides look like as you saw in the beginning. So let's put this in full view here, and we can scroll through the carousels. This is the first cover slide of the next one. It has my character right here. These are beautiful. It created the sketch of me, which I've already generated, and have it in a tool for it to pull as reference from. And then, of course, it has a picture of me on the front. And all of this follows was all in my SOP. I created a process for this whole entire thing, and you can get your hands on this by joining the Pink Terminal community. I'll put the link in the description below. Now, AI isn't a magic pill or anything like that. It all started and began with the planning of everything. This is my SOP. My SOP outlines every single step I took in this process, the things that I created, and the flow of everything, how everything starts, how everything ends, in order to produce the carousels that I was able to make in this video. Okay, that's the whole thing. A week of carousels, start to finish, in about 20 minutes or less. And I just want to reiterate, AI isn't a magic pill, but it sure does feel like one when you've actually put the systems in place to help you do this and save you some time. Trust me, if you want the resources along with this video, go ahead, click the link in the description below. You'll get over to my community where you can get more information and even more systems, so you don't have to build it out from scratch. I mean, you can watch me and figure it out, or you can just grab the templates, put it into your Claude Code. I'll show you exactly how to do that within the new community, the Pink Terminal. Again, that link will be in the description below. It will also be in the pinned comments, okay? So that's it for me today. I'll catch you in the next one.